So the doctor told you got prostate hypertrophy. Worried. So you think now you become old. Now that you got prostate, it will go into prostatic cancer. You'll have to get a surgery done. All that kind of things are running in your mind. Every male after 40-45 develop what is called as prostatic hypertrophy. It's common. All of us, all male have to go through it. Some people have symptoms, some people don't have symptoms. Let's look at what are the symptoms that the prostatic hypertrophy can cause for you. Urgency to urination. You want to pass urine, you can't hold it. You will have to rush to the toilet. Frequency to urination. You find yourself going more and more to the urination. Dribbling of urine. By the time you reach, you might pass off a few drops. You may not be able to completely pass urine. You finish your urination, come back, you want to go back again. You wake up number of times in the night. There are times you go, you want to start urination, it doesn't come for some time. There are times you pass, it goes in the form of a fork, 2 streams. There might be burning urination in some people, difficulty to pass urine, lower abdominal pain, pain between the rectum and the urinary area, chills. So these are all later stages. Everybody, all of you don't have to have these problems at all. Yeah, the ones who need to worry are the ones who are getting urinary infection very frequently. You're going too many number of times. There's burning, there's fever, there's chills. But just because you're going number of times, just because you're waking up 1 or 2 times in the night, you don't have to worry about it. That's not a big issue at all. But you go to the urologist, he'll get an ultrasound, he'll get a scan, and he'll tell you your prostate grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4. He will tell you, I'll give you some medicines for some time, use it for some time. If it doesn't help, we'll chop it off. Most people fall for that. They take medicines for a month or two. Why keep this headache? They'll get it removed. They again end up in other problems. What can homeopathy do? See, like I said before, prostatitis, prostatic enlargement is something very, very common. Most of the males have to go through it. As you begin to have any symptoms, start taking homeopathic medicines. Now, what the homeopathic medicines does is, it doesn't take it back, it doesn't cure it, but it will prevent it from going bigger and bigger. The problem will start as the prostate begins to grow bigger and bigger. It puts pressure, and then it starts frequency, urgency, and all this kind of. If you're able to stop it, if you're able to stop the growth, slow the growth of the prostate, half the job is done. We've had a lot of people coming to us saying they've been advised surgery. They've started on our medications and they've been doing extremely well. A lot of people who have come to me need not or did not go for a surgery. They're doing very well. They may be getting up once or twice in the night. They may be having an occasional discomfort. So what? That's a part of aging. Accept it. You want to remain fit all your life till you die, till you're 80. You don't want all these things affecting. It doesn't work that way. With age comes a few discomfort. They're not diseases. Discomfort. The being wise is to accept this discomfort. Not to try and radically, do something aggressive and get rid of the thing and all that. Prostate is not in your body to just get rid of it the moment it is giving you a little bit of discomfort. That's not how it works. If you're diagnosed with prostate enlargement, just start homeopathy. 99% of the time you're going to be fine. Of course, you need to rule out. If there is a lot of problem, then we will put you through some investigations to see if there is any other problems, any secondary infection problem and all that. We've had people coming to us who've been falling sick very frequently with prostate. They've been getting fever frequently, urinary tract infection frequently. Once they start on the medications, all that disappears. They stop getting urinary tract infections frequently. The frequency improves, the urgency improves, the dribbling improves, the passage of urine improves, everything improves. Get your PSA also done on and off, not every time. Don't go behind getting test done. That's not how it works. These are age-related problems and they need to be taken care of subtly, not aggressively. We can help you with prostatic enlargement. Take care.